to walk with your brother in their time of need. That's the value of that, because sometimes it's the certainty in your voice that actually is going to give them the voice that they need on the inside. But when you're in it, you can't see past it. Someone's in a really, really bad relationship, messy breakup, thought I was going to marry this person, it's not working out, and I now see it slipping away. Or, maybe even a divorce itself. Like, I can't see happiness after this, because the greatest happiness I think I experienced up until this point was when this was at a high, right? When this was going in a certain direction. And so now it's like you're taking away any notion or any possibility of happiness from me. Now, as a guy on the other side that's seen people recover from bad relationships and seen people recover from divorces that didn't know they're, on that side, I can be like, you're going to be okay. Look, inshallah, you're going to be okay. But that person's like, but I can't live without her. I can't live without him. Like, yeah, you're going to live. You're going to be okay. Seriously, I've done it enough times to tell you, you're going to be fine, inshallah. Is it going to hurt sometimes? Yeah, but you'll be fine. Allah has created us not just with immense capacity of patience, but also the immense capacity to recover. Recovery is part of the sabr that Allah put inside of us, the possibility of recovery Allah put inside of us. It's actually remarkable. It's a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He's given us that possibility to recover. Not to where we don't hurt when we remember certain things, not to where sometimes there isn't long trauma from certain things, but we do have the ability inside of us as a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to actually move on. But when you're in the midst of it, you don't really think that way, right? You know what's so beautiful about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? كان خلقه القرآن, right? He was a walking Quran. His character was the Quran. If inna ma'al usri yusra is not the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in Hijrah, being caught by Suraq ibn Malik as a fugitive, right? About to be killed, possibly, on the run from his people to a people that he doesn't yet know really well, as a refugee to them. And him telling Suraqa, by the way, how will it be, O Suraqa, when you are carrying the gold bracelets of Kisra, the most powerful ruler in the world, in your hands? If that's not inna ma'al usri yusra, I don't know what is. That's literally, and the Prophet ﷺ is the one who's in the deepest usr in this moment. He almost just died. SubhanAllah, like we talk about now the effects of remembering things and the effects of trauma afterwards. He and Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu were in the cave. And they were right there. These people that wanted to do horrible things to them were right there. And the Prophet ﷺ, of course, tells him, how is it, O Abu Bakr, with two people, and the third is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's the one affirming Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And he's telling Suraqa, how will it be when you are carrying the bracelets of the most powerful man in the world, the most powerful ruler in the world? That is prophetic vision beyond the moment. Khandaq, that is the greatest hardship that you experience as a people. You're fighting for your existence as a community against the people that want to wipe you off the face of the earth. And in the darkest times, in the ditch, you see the light of Islam spread throughout the world. Inna ma'al usri yusra. It's going to come out of this. Something is going to come out of this. So when you're in usr, you're overwhelmed. Your senses are gone. You're overwhelmed by the difficulty. And when was this surah revealed to the Prophet ﷺ, by the way? Was it revealed to the Prophet ﷺ as a victory lap? Was this after Badr that this was revealed? When is this revealed to the Prophet ﷺ? When there is no yusr in sight.